Hi everyone, this is Jay. I'm a lawyer at Shim Law. Today I want to talk about how long does the divorce process take. Generally speaking, it may take between 6 to 12 months depending on your case, and if you fight over every single issue, it may take more than 12 months. First of all, in Canada, you have to file the statement of claim for divorce in order to start the divorce action, and you also have to serve the claim upon the defendant, and then you have to wait until the defendant serves you with defense. If there is a counterclaim, then the defendant also serves you with a counterclaim as well. And at that point in time, you have to prepare the defense to the counterclaim. And that is called the pleading stage. Once that is done, depending on the situation, you may have to apply to get a financial disclosure from the other side if this is not amicable situation. And if this is amicable situation, that both parties can mutually exchange the financial information to find out how much income, how much asset they have. And once you find out that information, then the next step is to move forward, potentially come up with the terms of agreement so that the parties don't have to fight over every single issue in court. If you have a terms of agreement, then it's better to hire a lawyer to draft the agreement so that that agreement can be enforceable in the future if there's a breach by either one of the parties. The last step usually involves the divorce package, where you have to include a number of divorce documentations, and once you complete that, you have to submit to the court for consideration. And the judge reviews your divorce package, and once that is done, judge will issue the divorce judgment. And once you receive the divorce judgment, you have to wait for 1 month until appeal period expires. And once the appeal period is expired, then you can request for a certificate of divorce, and that is the time that you can end your divorce, and you're allowed to remarry if you want to. And when you want to remarry, usually you have to have your certificate of divorce in order to get remarried. If you have any questions about the process, please contact us at 403-476-2011. Thanks, bye.